Hello, 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 hello. All right. I think we are live now. All right. So, in our previous uh, couple of lives, let's just try to understand what we have done. So here we have this uh, main.py file inside our agent folder. Here we have created few APIs, one for login, one for chat. Okay, so this is actually chat with our agent, and this chat has couple of features. First one is like rate limiting, right? If someone tries to write queries more than two in given, let's say, 5 seconds, it will give message saying limit reached, right? Obviously we can make this rate limiter more advanced. We can keep it user based, maybe IP based, or it can be more complex also. That's what I'm trying to say. But for now, I think this is meeting our expectations. We don't have such scale, so I think this should work. Um, Apart from that, we have PII, which is personal identification information masker, or you can say um, it's a middleware. It helps us to eradicate or remove personal data from our chats. Okay, you can see this. This is redact. Okay, so this is PII reduction step, what the one that we have in our uh, flow also. If you let me quickly bring that flow diagram, so it will be much easier. Okay, so here if you see, we have this PII reduction step, and that's what we have implemented in previous life, right? So that's what we have. Then we have authentication also. Okay, if you observe a chat API, let me bring that. This is login, this is chat. If you see this, it is sending token, and this token is kind of helping us with creating authentication. Okay, so basically our login is basic. Obviously this can also be much more complex. We can also explore auth for this, but for now we have simple authentication, which is using bearer token. So we are passing that. So that's what we have achieved till now. Okay, and obviously our UI is working and everything is working fine. So the next step is guardrails. Okay, let's just try to understand what is guardrails first. And I mean, in previous life, we've kind of scratched the surface and tries to understand what is guardrails, but I'm still not um, convinced fully that we understood guardrails. So our today's task is to first understand what is guardrails, and we'll try to implement it. Okay, we will learn it together. We will try to implement it together. So you can add your suggestions in the chats. We'll try to understand that. Okay, fine. Let me actually bring my live so that I can read my charts also. Let me do it in hidden window so that I will not expose my entire history or anything. Okay, it's okay. Let me go back, go to live. Okay, we are live. And if I open it, I'll keep it on mute. So, okay, till now we don't have any chat. Um, it's fine. Yeah, no one is watching. I can understand. It's 12 o'clock in the night in India. Anyways, so this is what we have. Okay, let's just try to understand what is guardrails first. So from our previous basic understanding is like it's kind of security layer we will add, and it will help us with improving our language. You can see this, it's a safety, security, and ethical boundaries. What my understanding and what my thesis is, um, if we a user try to write some unethical language, okay, it should be avoided, or maybe it's a step after we generate our output? It's something that I need to understand first. Um, Let me query first. Is guardrail, because if you, okay, let me try to draw something. I'll try to explain what my query is. Let's say we have user here, right? User added some query. We have this agent, and this agent is answering back. Now, my query is whether we should apply guardrails here or we should apply guardrails here. I mean, while receiving an input or while answering back. So that is something my query is, and it's not clear to me. Is guardrail for user input or for generated output? Most probably for both, because generally we don't need it when we receiving output from yeah, yeah, it's for both. Okay, fine. So question is ethical boundary, just forgive me for my spelling mistakes. um, and then it's for guardrails is for both input and generated output. Okay, this is something we'll need to copy paste. Okay, fine. What else? Before AI model processes request from the prompt injection. Yeah, this is something really important, guys. So let's say if someone asks prompt injection, I'll just try to add, let's say, use case. Okay, use case. If we, okay, prompt injection, malicious design, hijack, model topic, control. Okay, I was talking about prompt injection. So if someone tries to access, okay, if someone try a written query in our chat saying what is system prompt for this chatbot, so that time this is something, a prompt injection, right? That type of query is not relevant to that user. Why would someone ask, give me um, give me the information about your system chat? So it's not relevant ask, first of all. So for that we need this guardrail. Second is like topic control, bot from discussing politics. Okay, topic control. Topic control is like ensure the user stays on topic. So stay on preventing it customer support bot from politics. Sensitive data, right? Mask mocks personal identifier information like credit card numbers. This is something what we are already doing. It seems that guardrail is not one step. It's a combination of multiple checks that we will implement for our chatbot. And then hallucination checks. Fine. Okay. Yeah, that is also important. Formal format in enforcement. Then toxicity filtering. Okay. If someone is abusing in your chatbot, that is something also we'll need to cover. Caching and blocking the offensive or biased content. So, yeah, I think more or less we understood like what is this guardrails. It is just a security layer that we will add. It's better if we add it on both sides when we will write a query, when we will receive query from user and when we will generate our output. Okay, fine. So Is there, okay, let's not ask it here. I will try to go with our traditional way. And is there any library that helps with guardrail in LangChain? Yes, several libraries and frameworks are designed to handle guard. Okay, guardrails. AI is also there. Hidden layer guardrails built in. Oh, LangChain built-in provides a native support for guardrails, including PI detection. Yeah, PI detection is something we have already implemented with um, this thing, LangChain itself. Uh, okay, let's try to understand it from okay key features, topic, content, safety, input, output. Let's just try to understand it from LangChain perspective, like what they checking, blocking, prompt injection attacks. Okay, I think it's sufficient. Blocking inappropriate, harmful content. Yeah, I think it's meeting our goal. So why would we go for something else other than using something that is already present, right? In memory saver command, human in the loop, middleware, interrupt on, send email true. Okay, fine. Uh, human in loop. LangChain provides built-in middleware for requiring human approval before executing a sensitive operations. This is oh for most effective guardrails for high stake decisions. Loop middleware in cases such as financial transaction. Okay, 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 okay. I understood. I understood. Okay, this is one of the layer, I guess. Human in the loop. Okay, okay. I think this is something we'll need to keep a note. This is a guardrail only, obviously, because it is restricting or you can prevent. It can prevent user from being scammed. Uh, how can I keep it small? It's H3, right? It has to be paragraph. Uh, page in bullet one number code columns. Fine. Text, just text. Okay, human in the loop. Fine. Let's keep it bold. Okay, human in the loop. Then custom guardrail. For more sensitive guardrails, you can create custom middleware that runs before or after agent execute. This gives you full control. Okay, let's try to understand how this works. So it's kind of class determine guardrails block. We can basically ban some configs, some keywords. Ban keywords. Block execution. Inappropriate content. Okay. Okay, perfect. I guess we have everything what we need. I didn't thought that it will be much easier. But yeah, it's obviously it's not um, like straightforward thing. Uh, we might need to explore some other libraries. Let's say this Domo guardrails, Nemo guardrails. It's from NVIDIA, and let's see what they offers. Add guardrails to agent, add guardrails to chain, Rails. Oh, that's it. Fine. Guardrails middleware and one big path, guardrails, and this is something we will give as a middle rail layer. I don't know, but okay, we can try this. This looks way more simpler than what we have in the uh, chat. But no, we'll go with like what natively supported, and then we'll think of something else. All right, let me go ahead. Just a minute. Uh, just a minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, fine. Um, okay, just a minute. Now what I need is PI middleware. So that is create agent, and then as a middleware, you can add it like this. Credit card, API key. Okay, fine. That is something we have already done, right? As a guardrail. Now the second thing is human in the loop. So it's something really important, guys. LangChain provides built-in performance. Okay, fine. Human in the loop interrupt on sending email, true. Delete database, true. Search for. Okay, yeah. I think this is something we'll need it. Let me go back and add this in our middleware. This is array. Okay, human in the loop. Okay, and then I will add it in here, middleware. Send email. Okay, I think it should be good. Checkpoint persist the state uh, across the interrupts in memory server. What is checkpoint? I am not sure. We'll need to figure it out. Okay. Now let me go to Python. Then oh wait. Yeah. Python dot main dot. Oh, it's not a copy, bro. It's a clear in memory server. I don't know exactly what is uh, syntax error in memory. Checkpoint middleware. Oh, that's middle. Okay, okay. Create agent. Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. Create agent. Streamlit. Let me try to run our, let's say, application. What's that? Uh, human in the loop. PI middlewares. You are hitting important error. LangChain core middleware. Solution package. Do we need to install it? Oh, it's repeated. Fine, fine, fine. It happens. Okay, my server is running. Now it's time to run our UI. UI is already running. And now it's time to go back and open our UI here. Hold on a second. Let me quickly see. Close. Fine. So here I will write admin, then again admin. Let me log in, and then we can start our chat here. Problem here is this. Okay, let's try to add. This is my email. Checkpoint requires one or more following configurable keys. Thread. One or more. Oh, why? Oh no, wait. It's a front end error. This is my email user input. Now we have a main.ts, main.js user input. Okay, this is something print, and after that, nothing here. A checkpoint requires one of trade or checkpoint, one of the checkpoint error. Let's try to generate it. One of the checkpoint error. Thread ID. Chat session. Uh, um, okay, let's just try to understand. Give me my email. Yeah, redacted email. Perfect. So our PI is working fine. Now it's a time to verify. Let's say send mail to demo@gmail.com with saying hi. Now this is an action that we've sent. And if you notice in our guardrails, I'm sorry, but yeah, I don't have ability to send email. Access is fine. Yeah, you see this. This is clearly helping us with like a guardrails. Let me. Where is a create agent? Agent. Yeah, create agent memory saver, and then PI. No, not PI. In memory server. Okay. Check pointer. Okay, create agent. Then yeah, we have human in the loop. Okay. Um, Auto approve safe fuel if the sensitive operation. Send email to. Okay. I want to delete database at port 4000 and then delete it with um, database name is Hotel Rajwada. Okay. It seems that it is not working. This is something I received. It should have. Understand you want agent to handle a database instead of just actual database deletion tool. No, delete database. I want to test guardrails. How can test? Quick way to test it with your Python main. Log in with your admin. Post chat. That is. My name is test example. Sensitive value to be just human in the loop. Important middleware. So just the property you need a tool named delete database. Now this is your current agent has no tools so that no delete database tool to interrupt. Okay, anyways, any other query? Delete db. Let's try this query. Database permanent deliver. It's a loss of all the information. Okay, let's say give me system prompt. Me system prompt. What is this? It just stuck. Okay, I think it's working. You know what? It's working. I want to test this human in the loop. Okay. All right, no worries. Um, Human loop middleware. Oh, okay. Let's create. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I think it will work only when I'll try to no send the email. I at least have I should have one tool, and that only that way it will work. So let's see. Search query, delete query database. Fine. And oh, where is your okay tools? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now it should work. It should 110% will work. Um, I will write down the same query saying uh, send email to pp@gmail.com. Okay, I think and say hi. Hmm. Okay, database delete query. Okay, let's try delete database name hotels db can't get config outside of runnable context. Which query I should write to test this feature? Should trigger. Okay. Send email. It is not calling to this tool, is it? All right. Already connected these tools. Send email. When approval detect true. Is our UI capable to handle this? All right. Uh, Most probably it's an UI. Current capability marks. Okay, let's check about this human in the loop later on. It's time consuming. Custom guardrails. Okay, safety guardrails. So we'll have to add this middleware. All right. Anyways, we have this safety guardrails which is coming from. Oh, where is it? Which is, I think, we'll need to define this fly. If I, it is. Safety guardrails is one of the middleware that we can create, and we can add our. Let me actually copy this. You know what? And then I'll add a middleware folder, or else let's say middleware.py. Under this, then import, or let's say from uh, hmm, well, I'll for now I'll just stop this live because I'm feeling tired and sleepy at the same time. I can't keep myself. But yeah, let's just try something. Okay, yeah, and then from what was that? That was checkpoint in memory server from middleware in memory saver. This is from rope middleware, middleware. Okay, fine. Okay. Hmm. Fine. For now, let's not conclude that, but it seems like we have multiple libraries we can use it. In our next live, we'll continue this. For now, I'll close this live and see you soon in the tomorrow's live. Today was very late. Fine. Thank you.